This Fleet Equipment Unscripted interview is presented by Hendrickson, a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty suspension systems and components to the global commercial transportation industry. Visit hendrickson-intl.com to learn more.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, Content Director for Fleet Equipment. Welcome to Fleet Equipment Unscripted. We are at the Volvo Trucks Customer Center in Dublin, Virginia. We've got the all-new VNL lineup. These are early series production models. Finally get our hands on it. We're gonna jump in. Chris Stadler, Product Marketing Manager of Volvo Trucks, is gonna take us for a ride on their new 3-mile test track. Let's hop in the cab and take it for a spin.
So this is the new VNL.
Yep.
So you got yourself situated in the right position here.
Yep, feels good.
This has also got camera monitoring system, so you can see now you got your cameras on your A-pillars here.
Yep.
Right there. Gives you better visibility out there on the back end.
Yep.
Your gear shifter now is here on the column here, so no longer it's on the dash here or on the seat.
All right.
Great thing about our steering wheel is we design it to where you still have good visibility to that stock shifter no matter what neck position you put it into. You have your infotainment, which can give you tire pressure monitoring.
Oh yeah, let's see that, tire pressure monitoring. So that's standard, right? Standard tire pressure monitoring.
Yep, so you got pressure. That's option on temperature.
Top that directly behind them.
And then it also can give you, get your axle load indicator. So this shows you your weights on the front axle.
Yep.
And your tandems individually, but also as a combination.
Yep.
So you're at a good level of that. We also have dynamic steering. Basically, I got you set that firm stiffness, so we actually got personal settings. You can set them. You can even customize.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice, nice,
So
nice.
that's the new dynamic steering.
Nice. Okay, and then we have the electronic.
So you have electronic parking brake here. So
That's
basically,
awesome.
it's not a pull and push lever that you're used to. It's just a pull and push on the low lever. Much easier, much less, I guess, impact to your hands.
Yeah, right. Yeah, perfect.
And if you forget to disengage your parking brake before you start driving, if you put your truck in drive, it actually would disengage once you put your foot on the accelerator.
Oh, really? Okay.
And if you forget to set it when you get back, if you disconnect your seat belt or open the door, it'll automatically apply the brakes and put your truck in neutral.
Oh, cool.
Chris, you got a green light. Go.
All right, so put yourself in drive.
Okay. All right, good.
All right.
You're ready to roll. We'll give you a signal.
So the great thing about this new truck, your visibility, of course, it almost feels like you're in a cab over. You hardly see the hood in front of you.
Right.
This also picks up road sign recognition, so you can see here, in your dash, you can see that the 45-mile speed limit is picking up in front of you, or this one you passed. It's going to indicate that you've got a new road sign indication, but also it's also warn you if you're like 5 miles per hour or 10 miles per hour.
Right.
The great thing on this new track is now you can get up to highway speeds. I don't know if you got on it when you came up here at that time with Joel, but this is a great new track that we can now demonstrate the truck at highway speeds.
Right. Oh my gosh, the monitoring system is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, so you get a little bit more visibility, but it's a little bit, you gotta get adjusted
Yeah,
to it.
my head doesn't have to go as far.
Exactly.
And so I kind of keep moving over, but I'm right here.
Yeah. With adaptive cruise control, which you'll get to experience in the trucks, we usually set it about right here, but with that adaptive cruise control, you can actually get pilot assist, and what that's going to do is help maintain that center of the lane.
Yep.
And that way you don't have to fight it all the time to make sure you're in the center of the lane.
Right. Which lane do I go in?
Stay
here?
to the left.
Stay to the left.
It's also great with this, as you heard from Dwayne today, talk about the faster shifting the I-shift takes. And what we demonstrate here is the grade you're going to carry. This is a 6% grade.
Right.
So you can, and we got 73,000 pounds of gross combination weight on this truck. So you're going to be able to see it. I mean, you're going to be able to feel this. You don't feel the shifting, I'm going to say,
Right.
as you go around here. So climb this hill with no problem at all.
Oh man, this guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's just letting you know that the sun you gotta see.
The little above. Okay.
Now, if you move out of your lane here, you're gonna get lane keep assist. So nudge you back in there. Keep you.
All right. I'll try that a little bit.
The great thing is, though, as you go around here, it pans.
Oh yeah, it does nudge a little bit.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It pans also back behind your trailer. So as we come up to this hill, what we do is we demonstrate the engine brake. So I got you in reposition right now. So it's about 70% engine plate. So as you come around, you go around these curves, we demonstrate maneuverability, but also the capability of our engine brake.
Yep, I haven't hit the service brake yet, and it's doing a nice job here.
Yep. You're on camera, Bubba.
I'll smile then.
Then if you really want to slow it down, you can actually engage the B, and that'll give you 100% engine. So hit your service brake real quick. Here.
Okay. Oh yeah, then it comes right down.
And so that'll gear you down as well. If you really come down a steep incline, you want to really slow it down.
Yeah.
And then now you just reapply your accelerator and disengage the beep.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yep.
Perfect. I do.
See the panoramic you get here?
Yeah, I do. I gotta say, the one thing I am really looking at is these camera.
Yeah. There's another 660 has CMS if you really want to try that with as well.
Yeah.
But the great thing is with the new suspension, talked about this earlier, you know, talking about Gross and all the new changes we've done with the suspension. What you really experience it, again, you got a big payload here, but as we transition from the new track to the old track, you'll see that it's very little disturbance in your drive.
Yeah.
So with the front axle suspension, the cab suspension, and the Gross suspension.
What are we loaded at?
73,000 pounds.
Oh wow, okay.
See how smooth that was?
Yeah, and I mean, I haven't even really felt the weight.
Yeah.
And I mean, I typically haven't with the iShift as well, but I just feel, you know, talking to Dwayne about the fuel efficiency and kind of the faster ratios and less horsepower needed, you don't feel like you have less.
Correct.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
You still feel like you have everything you need to get rolling.
You got the power. So as you come around here, what I want you to do is pay attention to this camera. Of course, keep your lane because you'll see a panoramic back behind your trailer.
Yep.
It's really a nice feature that you're not going to get with a mirror, so you can see even more behind your trailer.
Right. Well, and it's really nice too because that's kind of a tight lane curve, right?
Yeah.
So when you're trying to make sure the trailer's over there, I'm not having to look as far either.
Exactly.
Which is
so
cool.
We'll stay to the right here.
Yep. Oh yeah.
The trailer hugging that yellow line.
Going in.
Yep, going in.
Perfect.
What I want you to do is take a little wide and come in that first lane to the left of the tractor trailer.
Yep.
Alright, so let's say you've been busy driving all day and you get distracted. Alright? Go. Listen, before you put it in neutral.
Yeah.
So let's say you forget to do that.
Yeah.
So if you take your seatbelt off or you open the door.
Okay. One minute here.
Just take your seatbelt off.
Okay.
So what happens is that.
Oh yeah, the parking brake. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, the parking brake's
even
there.
though this is in drive, it automatically puts you in neutral.
Oh wow, okay.
So before you can start off again, you got to come back to neutral and then come back and drive. So that's a safety protection. So now
and it's still all on.
Yeah.
So even if I took my foot off the brake, because I never took my foot off the brake, that's good, you know.
Yeah, once you put your foot on the accelerator, then it'll disconnect the brakes.
But even if I take it off the brake, we're not moving, everything's still. That's awesome. Back to neutral.
So a nice new safety feature we have in the truck.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
With the electronic parking brakes.
Beautiful. Let me just get a little bit of footage here of the
interior,
the sleeper too. So this is beautiful.
This is the ultimate trim.
So this is top of the Ultimate's top of the line.
Top of the line, where you get all the amenities and technology you want in the truck. You got the versatile foldable bunk, so this will fold up. Do you want me to demonstrate that?
Yeah, let's see.
But easy to get this.
Oh yeah.
Fold up into the wall.
Beautiful.
Don't have to make the bed.
Yeah. That's right. That's good. Well, you guys have such nice beds here anyway, with all the demo stuff. It's so nice.
And then this is a nice upper bunk. So basically, you can unhook it and then actually ratchet it up. You don't have to go all the way up or all the way down.
Right.
So you can halfway do it. Nice new feature with the ladder as well.
Very cool.
Here.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
You get up and down.
Right. Because I mean, this headroom's crazy.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You got lots of storage here, tons of storage.
we're ready to go today.
Look at them. Look at them.
It's nice.